Hello guys, and I'm Anjali, and today I'm going to paint my face. Yes, I'm not joking. Today literally I'm going to paint my face. This is how my face looks without anything, no makeup, no foundation, nothing. And today just a random idea came to my mind that why not try to paint my face. So I know I'm crazy, and I'm not sure whether I will get a breakouts or pimples or anything, but wish me luck and let's get started. So this. I'm a little scared, but let's do this, okay? I want to divide my face in half exactly, and I'm just using my painting techniques. I hope I can do this. Just creating a line that can divide my whole face. I know it's not straight, but I will manage. So from here onwards, I'm just going to do a voiceover because I have to do the time lapse of this video. It took me around 1.5 hours to complete the face painting, and I don't think you want to watch that 1.5 hour long video. So I just decided to just time lapse it. So my voice and the lip sync of this video may not be coordinated, but I will just say what I want to convey at some point of the video. Okay, so here I was just trying to paint the yellow and white. First I've decided that I will not paint on the eyelids or the eyebrows. I will just leave it blank, and later on I will just cover it with makeup. But then I thought that if I am going for a challenge and if I want to paint my whole face with paint, then why just do a little bit of eyebrow and eyes with makeup? Just go for it all or go for none. So I decided, but when I started to blend the colors, it's just couldn't blend, or the color was thin. It is not covering my face completely. As you can see, I was having a very hard time blending the yellow and the white color, and painting on paper, painting on face are like totally different, east and west kind of thing, completely opposite, and it was very difficult, literally very difficult. If anybody will say that are you going to try this again, then I will say maybe I will try, but not crazily like on my whole face. So this side I decided to go for the blue look. I'm going for a half and half look, and if you know about India, or if you are an Indian, then you must know that today is the first day of Navratra, that we say the Prathama. Navratra is celebrated for worshipping the goddess Durga, and for that only this idea came in my head. In the morning I was talking with my friend and she wished me happy Navratra, and then suddenly this idea just popped in my head that why not paint something inspired from Devi Durga or goddess Durga, and do something literally crazy. So when I started to detail the work, like painting the eyes and eyebrows, as you can see the footage was missing because I was just pausing the video and I have to focus on the details. I have to see the small mirror, so I couldn't record everything for you. Maybe in the future if I will try again, and if I'll have better cameras and all, better equipment, so I will record the full footage for you. And I tried my best. As you can already see, the paint is just cracking near my lips. So I just applied a another layer of paint. The eyebrows was fine, but literally I just messed up the lips, just make them very big. I was not satisfied with the lips, but I couldn't help it. At that time I was so angry at myself that why I am doing this, why, what did, means, what have I done to deserve this, that I am doing this with my face. And as you can see that paint is start to chipping off from the blue side of my face. I just applied another layer of paint and it was, and here is the finished look. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you liked my video, then don't forget to subscribe, and happy Navratra. Enjoy these 10 days.